Hello friend, welcome in geography classes. My dear friend, myself SP Singh, and today I am going to discuss about a chapter that is India, India size and location for the standard 9, right? That is chapter 1, chapter first. My dear friend, in this chapter we will see what are the latitudinal and longitudinal location of India. It is laying in which hemisphere, as well as we will see all the coastal areas. So, as well as we will discuss about the size of India. Right? Before it, we have to understand a 2 point, that is, first is latitude, latitude, and second one is what? Longitude, longitude. And see here, it is a globe on which there is an imaginary line. It is a 0 degree line, and it is called what? Equator. It is called equator, right? What is latitude? Latitude is an imaginary line which are parallel to the equator and make angular distance from the center of the equator, from the center of the equator. See, this is a line. It is parallel, to the equator, and it made angular distance from the equator on the earth. Angular distance, what distance? This is a angle. All these are making angle. Suppose this is a 10 degree, it is a 10 degree, 10 degree. It is called north, it is called south, because from the equator, see in another diagram, it is 0 degree line, equator. Above, ये थोड़ा सीधा होनी चाहिए, above from the equator, it is called northern hemisphere. Above from the equator, it is called northern hemisphere, and below the equator, it is called southern hemisphere. Below equator, it is southern hemisphere, and above from the equator, it is known northern hemisphere, right? So the from the equator, in upper case, all the line which are parallel and imaginary, it will be demarcated by n, and 10 degree, 20 degree north, 30 degree north, like this, and finally on top it is 90 degree north. It is also called North Pole, and same as 20 degree south, 30 degree south, 40 degree south, and here is a south pole, SP 90 degree, and there is a NP, north pole. So these are the latitude, right? All latitudes do not join each other. Whenever we move from equator to north pole, from equator to north pole, ये इक्वेटर लाइन है, यहां से हम ऊपर की ओर जाएंगे, right? As well as south from the equator, the distance will decrease, वो धीरे धीरे छोटा होते जाता है, right? And all these are not crossing each other. These are the latitude. What about the longitude? See, right? Its shape should be like this ball. Here is a north pole, NP for this, and there is a south pole. There is also an imaginary line, which join north pole and south pole. In eastern side, this is a eastern side and this is western side. So in eastern side as well as western side, it is all longitudes and join on the north pole and south pole, right? It is a meridian line. In center, it is a meridian line. It is also known as Greenwich line. ये ग्रीनविच लाइन्स के नाम से जानी जाती है. फ्रॉम द राइटवर्ड साइड, है ना, फ्रॉम द ग्रीनविच राइटवर्ड साइड, इट इज अ ईस्टर्न लॉन्गिट्यूड, है ना. ये कहलाएगा ईस्टर्न लॉन्गिट्यूड और ये कहलाएगा वेस्टर्न लॉन्गिट्यूड. वेस्ट फ्रॉम मीन्स लेफ्टवर्ड टुवर्ड्स फ्रॉम द ग्रीनविच लाइन, मेडिटेरियन टाइम, right? So these are the longitude. Now we will easily understand about the latitude and about the India's size and location very well. See, India is a very vast country and it has a great diversities. It has great diversities. There is a in the oldest civilization in India, it was a Indus civilization. But that time, from that time to till, there is a lots of development in different field. In like the development in technology, develop in socio-culture, in social cultural field, development in educational field, development in literature field. So India has crossed a multi-field, right? And when we see the location, first see, I am trying to draw out a map of India. It may be exact, it may not be exactly, but looks like a model of the India. Like this, see, है ना. तो it is a map of India. In south it is Indian Ocean, in the eastern side there is Bay of Bengal, and western side there is Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. So this southern part of India is surrounded by three sides of water, and this portion is called a peninsular India. Right? Now we will see the location. India is laying in the southern side 8° 4' north latitude to 37° 6' north latitude. Southern point of India is having the latitudinal location 8° 4' north, right, and in uppercase 37° 6' north. So whole part is laying in the northern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, because here is a 8° 4' north, 0°. At equator there is north, and in it is a south. So lower part is 8° north. That means it will be the in the uppercase, means in the northern hemisphere. When we see the longitudinal extension, it is a longitude, लंबा, और लैटिट्यूड लेटा हुआ. लैटिट्यूड हमने बताया था ना, ये ऐसे पैरेलल, और लॉन्गिट्यूड बताया था इस मेरिडियन के इस तरह से. ये क्या है? लॉन्गिट्यूड. इट इज लॉन्गिट्यूड, एंड दिस वन इज लैटिट्यूड. ये लैटिट्यूड कैसा है? इट इज लेइंग, लेटा हुआ है ना, पैरेलल लेटा हुआ, और ये लॉन्गिट्यूड लंबा. चलिए तो आप याद रखेंगे. सो दिस इज अ longitude extension from west to east, or you can say east to west. What are the values of this longitude? It is this one having value 68° 7' east, and this one is 97° 25' east. What it is indicating? It is indicating that the India is in eastern side from the Greenwich line. Yes, this is a Greenwich line, center line. So from the Greenwich line there is a eastward, right? Means the western side it is a east, and eastern side is also east. That means whole India is laying in the eastward side, right? My dear friend, many times the exam in examination question is like this: India is laying in which hemisphere? So it is laying in the northern hemisphere. What are the latitudinal extension of India? So that is 8° 4' north latitude to 37° 6' north latitude. What are the longitudinal extension of India? Well, the longitudinal extension, that is 68° 7' east to 97° 25' east, right? चलिए तो इसके नेक्स्ट पार्ट को हम देखते हैं. आइए, एक चीज हमने भूल गया, ये आपको बता देता हूं, इसी का एक क्वेश्चन है। देखिए, एक हमने बताया था, इट इज अ इंडियन ओशन, इंडियन ओशन, देयर इज अ बे ऑफ बंगाल, and in this side it is a Arabian Sea. I told you the part of land which are surrounded by water from three sides, it is called peninsula. It is called peninsula. But there is an it is called island. The piece of land, I have told here part of land, and here is a piece of land which are surrounded by water from all sides. It is known island. It is called peninsula, and this one is known island. And it is a part of India. It will be discussed in second chapter. It is Andaman Nicobar, right? So these are the technical word, and it can be widely used in this chapter. So friend, आज इतना देखते हैं, और नेक्स्ट पार्ट विल बी डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट वीडियोस. थैंक्स.